Understanding Internet Security, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our video on Internet security. Today, we're going to explore what Internet security means, why it's important, and how it affects our daily lives. Whether you're new to the digital world or just looking to deepen your understanding, this video is for you. So let's dive in and unravel the complexities of Internet security in a simple and easy to understand way. Internet security refers to the methods and strategies used to protect online activities and transactions. It involves various technologies, processes, and practices designed to safeguard your presence on the Internet. From personal information to financial data, Internet security covers the protection of sensitive data from unauthorized access, cyber threats, and data breaches. It's not just about keeping your information safe. It's also about ensuring a secure and trustworthy environment for online communications and activities. In this section, we'll discuss the main components that make up Internet security. These include antivirus software. This is a program designed to detect and eliminate malware, like viruses, worms, and Trojans. Firewalls. These act as barriers between your computer and the Internet, controlling what comes in and goes out. Encryption. This is the process of converting information into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Secure passwords. Creating strong, unique passwords is crucial for protecting your online accounts. Two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification, beyond just a password. Understanding common Internet threats is key to grasping the importance of Internet security. These threats include phishing scams, fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity. Malware. Software designed to harm or exploit any programmable device, service, or network. Ransomware. A type of malware that threatens to publish the victim's data or perpetually block access to it unless a ransom is paid. Identity theft. This occurs when someone steals your personal information to commit fraud or other crimes. To enhance your Internet security, follow these best practices. Always keep your software updated. Use strong and unique passwords for different accounts. Be cautious of unsolicited emails and links. Regularly back up your data. Educate yourself about the latest Internet security threats. We hope this video has been insightful in helping you understand Internet security. Remember, staying secure online is not just about technology. It's also about being aware and making smart choices. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to a safer Internet experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.